Hey guys, Carl King here, King Print Design. I hope you're having a great day today. But if you've ever had a client give you a file, even if it says it's a vector file or whatever it is, and no matter what you did, you couldn't break it down to give you more than anything. You're trying to get an outline of it, right? You want to make a sticker or a cutout with your laser, something of that nature, and you just can't get nothing but a box. So, for example, here's what I'm talking about. Like, I wanted to do an outline. Well, it didn't give me my outline; it gave me a box. Well, this file does have a lot of layers to it, and I'm gonna tell you, I've already went through some of it trying to break it down, and it would not give me anything but a box because right down here, this was tied to something somehow. They gave it a weird box. So the easy thing, quick fix from me was I go to Photoshop, I bring it in, I export the file as a PNG. All right, there it is. I'm gonna export, and then what I'll do is I'll go to Illustrator, and I'm going to bring that file into Illustrator. So we're going to open, right there it is. It's going to come in. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to select it. I'm going to Control C and then Control V, which is copy paste. And there I go. I got two separate ones, right? Now I'm going to click on this one and I'm going to go to image trace. I always click preview because I want to see, because I know I'm going to have to adjust this one. I've already been playing with it. So I'm going to go ahead and make it really dark, just as long as it doesn't blur everything out crazy, because all I'm using this for is to get my outline from it. So I do that, then I'm going to go to properties. I'm going to expand and ungroup, get rid of this bounding box. I don't want that no more, right? So now look, I got that, everything's separate. So we're going to select it. And then I've got a handy dandy little quick tool right here. It gives me my offset. I can do an 1/8 inch offset on this particular one. And there I go. I've got my offset there. Now I can take it and I can move it over here. And we can play with it and get it lined up just like we want to. And you got it right there. And if you don't want these internal cuts, see these internals right there? Double click, click, and I can get rid of them as I need to. But for this situation, I'm going to leave it like it is. So if this helps you and this is something that you find valuable, please like and follow my page for future information. Stay humble. Know your worth.